Liz, and I'm here with today's lizard. All right, somebody wants to know, what's a lizard? Well, it's Liz's action repeatedly done that will lead you to success. So a bunch of lizards all together will lead you to success. Now, to be clear, these actions are not all things that I came up with. The vast majority are going to be things that I have learned about, heard, read about. Most of you know I'm a voracious reader, and a lot of my knowledge comes from the many, many thousands at this point of books that I have read. So today's action that I want to talk about comes from Mike Michalowicz, and I'm looking at the book Fix This Next, but my action for today is to check out Profit First. If you don't know what Profit First is, do a Google search. It's easy. If you don't know who Megan Likes is, check out Megan Likes. She is starting a Profit First class, and this is going to be the best way for you to get introduced into Profit First. So the lizard is track your spending. Take control of your finances. Don't let your money just come in and go out. Control your money. And Profit First is a really great way to do that. All right, that's it for today, and we'll see you tomorrow.